Hello, what is up? So currently I am solo traveling at Turkey, and what if I tell you the e-visa to come to Turkey takes less than 5 minutes. Let's get back to my home and see how it is done. Well, Turkey is a beautiful country and I am so glad I am here, and I want you guys to come too. Now, to make your life and this process easy, I'm gonna give you a step-by-step process on how you can apply your Turkey e-visa. But before we dive in, please remember that this is e-visa and it only applies if you have either Schengen visa, US visa, UK visa or Ireland visa. If you don't have any of these visa, you can just like the video and save yourself some time. But if you have any one of these visas, then let me share my screen and let's dive in. So the process of applying this e-visa is very simple. You just need to go onto this website, evisa.government.tr. You can find the link in the description, and you can see that it has 3 easy steps. You just need to click on this apply now button. Right, so when you apply, it will ask you to select your country and region. I live in India, so I'm just gonna type India. I have an ordinary passport, and then you need to fill in the security. Alright, now that you are on a next page, it will ask you for your arrival date in Turkey. Now, whenever you apply for the e-visa of Turkey, you get it for 180 days, but you cannot exceed a maximum number of 30 days in a single trip. And this e-visa is only valid for single entry. It's not for the multiple entry. So let's say, I'm reaching on 15th of August, when it's India's Independence Day. So it's asking that, okay, then if I come on 15th August, then I have to, I can stay maximum 30 days, but this entire visa is valid for 6 months. So I just do save and continue. The total fee for this is 43 USD, and I think it also depends on your origin country. It can go up to 60-70 USD. Okay, so then in the 3 required, my passports covers the period that I'll be staying in Turkey. So make sure that your passport is valid up to your visa expiration. Okay, I can prove I have a return ticket, hotel reservation at least $50 per day. So it's only valid for tourism and business. And this is very important, which I mentioned in the starting, that you need to have either one of these valid visas or residence permit of Schengen, US, UK and Ireland. And yes, I confirm that I meet. You can confirm your details over here, and then let's do save and continue. Now this is the final step. In this step, what you need to do, you just need to fill out your very basic information that include your first name, surname, date of birth, place of birth, your mom's name, father's name, passport number, passport issue date, passport expiry date, and type of supporting document. So this is very important, that which visa or residence permit do you have. So for example, I had a Schengen visa. Before going to Turkey, I was in Berlin for a month, and I just need to enter my Schengen visa document number. Now if you have a Schengen visa and you are confused, you can look at the screen on where do you find the Schengen visa. This is exactly what you need to enter, and then expiry date of your whatever supporting document you are providing. I'm providing Schengen visa, so I'll just write down when it is expiring. You can find the expiry on here, and then you enter your email address, phone number, address. And if you are a solo traveler like me, you just need to click, and then there is this confirmation which you can read. Like, who reads it anyway? And yeah, but if you are a single person like me, you would just do save and continue. But if you are not like me, if you are a couple or a group, you can add a new person. But before that, I need to fill all of these. So let me fill it up quickly. So now I have filled out most of my information, and I'll click on save and continue. Now in this save and continue, you can just verify that whatever details that you have filled is right or not. And if you think that it is right, you just click on this verify button. After you have filled out the form, there will be a email confirmation button. This email confirmation button, you just need to click on that approve, and then what will happen, you will be taken to a page where you need to pay. But since I have already paid for this visa, of course I'm not gonna pay again. And once you have paid the small fee of 43 US dollars, and it is as simple, your visa is available to you instantaneously. There is no verification process whatsoever. There is this big green download your e-visa button. You click on that, and then your visa is with you. Man, I literally got my visas in like 5 minutes, and this has been the quickest so far. I just feel like Turkish government is handing out visa for a very small amount. So if you found this video informational, please press the like button and do not forget to hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you soon in my next video where I'll be going around Turkey and having a lot of fun. So bye bye for now.